Thanks, Miku. Keep an eye on that front. There's a different kind of pressure system moving through the courts today. Not the kind that makes the immediate headline, but the kind that quietly rewrites the map entirely. In Washington, the highest court just took a quiet pass, letting lower judges shatter what remains of the voting class. They didn't strike the statute down, they just refused the plea. And the Voting Rights Act drowns inside a silent legal sea. While over in Madhya Pradesh, the High Court swings the pen, declaring that a medieval mosque belongs to Hindu men. An 11th century structure, a Kamal Maula claim, rewritten by a judge to hold a different goddess's name. The gavel doesn't strike to build a shelter for the weak. It strikes to change the language that the history books will speak. You file away the ballots and you reassign the shrine. When the state decides you don't belong, they do it by design. It isn't an explosion, it's a quiet legal freeze, erasing who you are by slow administrative degrees. It takes a lot of paperwork to disappear a voice, to legally determine that the marginalized have no choice. In the States, they use the docket jurisdiction, no delay, to ensure the proper precincts keep the friction far away. In India, they use a survey, a sudden court-led dig, to prove the Muslim heritage was just a borrowed rig. It's the same tailored suit on a very ancient ghost. The law becomes a weapon for the ones who have the most. The gavel doesn't strike to build a shelter for the weak. It strikes to change the language that the history books will speak. You file away the ballots and you reassign the shrine. When the state decides you don't belong, they do it by design. It isn't an explosion, it's a quiet legal freeze, erasing who you are by slow administrative degrees. We tell ourselves the courts are the anchor, the neutral ground where the rules are just the rules. But an anchor is really only a piece of iron on a chain. If the people holding the chain want to drag the ship onto the rocks, the anchor isn't going to stop them. It's just going to pull you under faster. So the polling lines get longer where the streetlights always fail, and another crescent falls to keep a nationalist tale. The gavels do the heavy lifting, polished wood and brass, as the rights of the discarded are quietly put out to grass. It's a polite kind of violence, delivered with a smile, just a minor technicality filed neatly in the pile. They edit out the voters, they appeal the verdict when they change the court itself.